this video, you're going to see an amazing transformation of a kitchen pantry. And I'm just going to tell you a little bit about what I did. I categorized the small appliances on the bottom shelves. You typically want them on the bottom because they can be heavy. And then I made a nice little tea area, a spot for vitamins and for any medication. I made a baking area, a spot for the canned foods, a spot for like back stock paper towel and things like that. And yeah, the client was really happy. So I hope you enjoyed the transformation. Thanks for watching.